In this video, I'll be showing you how to convert an object into a JSON and how to reconvert the JSON into an object using JavaScript. So let's dive into the code. Hello friends, this is Codecraft. You can learn code fastly and efficiently. I'll create a simple JavaScript file here. I will name it test.js. Now I will create an object here. I will pass the name. Simply I will do the Codecraft, and the second will be, for example, ID 101. Now how to convert this object into a JSON? So there is an object which is JSON dot, there's a function JSON.stringify which is used to convert an object into a JSON. So in argument you have to give the object here. So I will give the obj and I will store it in a variable let JSON equal to, and I will log this JSON. Now I will open my terminal, type node test.js. So here you can see this object is converted into a JSON. Now how to convert a JSON into an object? So there is another method. I will simply comment this, recommending this, or let's do it. So there is another method. Simply I will make this a JSON here. Now how to convert this JSON into an object? There is another method in the JSON object, JSON.parse, and you have to give the JSON here. So I will give the obj and I will store it in I will name this JSON, and this will be obj, and now I will simply log this console.log and obj, and going to my terminal again, clear this node test.js, running this again, node test.js. Now there is an error. I will see it. What happens? Cannot access obj before initialization. Sorry, there I have to change this name. I will run this again error. Object not valid JSON. So yes, this is not valid JSON because we have to actually remove the single quote and put the entirety in the double quote. So I'll run this again an error. Object is not a valid JSON. Now what will I do? I will simply first convert this JSON equal to, and I will use the JSON.stringify to convert this JSON, to convert this object. I mean what error, I don't know about this, but convert this object into JSON. And now here you can see this is a valid JSON that has been come out. So this is how you can use it. So I hope this will help you. If you have any question, you can comment in the comment box, and if you like the video, please do not forget to press the like button and also press the subscribe button. Thanks for watching the video.